What's up, everyone? It's Adam from Northland Watches here. Today I'm going to show you how to take out the watch strap from the Casio F91W. So flipping this one over, you can see that there's two pins that are holding each of the straps on. And then there's also an arrow here and here. And that's just the direction that you have to push the pin. The first couple of times you do this, the pin is going to be really tight. It's really held on tight here and here. So you need to use a lot more force than you would expect. The first couple of times I tried to do it, I just couldn't do it at all. You can use this SIM card pusher. I like to use one of my little mini screwdrivers. I just find it allows me to have a better grip. So kind of pushing over in this pin and going in this direction, because you can see the arrow, you'll insert it, and then you really got to just push it. So you can see it's starting to come out. And there you go. So that one comes out. And then going in the same direction down here, you really just got to push it. And you can see it's starting to come out. And then once you get it a little bit, once you get it started, you can use a thinner tool and it'll just pop right out. You can see, let's see, zooming in a little bit. So you can see that on the pin, there's one end that is just straight, and then there's one end that is kind of indented there. What you want to do is that indent goes in the side where you're starting to push. So if the arrow's here, if you're trying to put it back in, you would put it in with the indent going in the opposite direction. So we'll zoom out a little bit, and we can just, to put it back in, you can just push it a little bit. You can put the other one back in. The buckle always goes on the top. So we'll take the indent again, and it gets pushed in like that. And then once it's been pushed in a little bit, you can take this SIM tool and just push it in the rest of the way. Or you can use this little screwdriver. And that's it. Oh. Oh, we need to have it fully seated. And then it just goes in. So once it's fully seated, just pushes back in. And that's it. And that's it. That's how you do it.